Yari tayo kay Soy. Di ko alam paano magpapaliwanag. Samahan niyo ako. This is Pinoy Extreme and itakal natin ang nangyari dun sa debate.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
And ang dami daw na disappoint. Kasi nga, I couldn't put up a fight back then. Well, naiintindihan ko. And totoo yun. I cannot really put up a fight because I was thinking, paano kami mag-a-align ni Kayo? Paano kami mag-a-align ni Kayo na kung saan impromptu yung topic? So, ang nangyari doon is, pinauna ko siyang magsalita, I listened to his argument, and I'm trying to build up his case rather than building up mine because again, you cannot build up on mine kasi nga, wala akong maisagot. Literal yung kanta ni wala akong masabi. Sabi ko ha, sabi ko he, sabi ko he. Ganon. So, I need to think differently. Okay? I need to think differently. So, rather than me being the, sabi nga nila sa sa ML, jungler, ako na yung nag-support. Expertise ko mag-support eh. Rafaela user ako. So, I listened to his argument and tried to understand there and then ano yung gustong puntuhin ni Kayo. Kaya naging sidekick ako ni Kayo doon. And there's no shame in being a sidekick to a great debater. E di, then and there, as I was trying to listen, all I can say is yung mga supplementals. Kasi nga hindi kami pwedeng mag saliwa ni Kayo kasi we're supposed to be on the same direction. And kahit sa supplementals nahirapan ako. Kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ako huhugot ng supplementals na doon ko lang nalaman yung topic. So, literal, humuhugot ako ng mga supplemental sa stock knowledge. And this proves na hindi ka talaga magka-come up ng something good doon sa bagay na hindi mo pinagpreparan. Kaya, well, again, disappointing. Kasi hindi ko ine-expect yung plot twist na mangyayari. And my bad there that, I was hoping for a glimpse of an intellectual honesty na magstay kami doon sa main topic. But my bad. Again, I've expected from a wrong person. Kita nyo naman yung debate, it's designed to do one thing. So, alam mo yung kahit na hindi namin alam yung topic, yung format, and during the actual debate itself, hindi pa nasunod ng maayos yung flow, and kung ano-ano pang mishaps doon, I do not really want to disappoint people. I will show up regardless of what I think would happen. Because what I'm after there is the lessons that I can give to my followers. There's no shame in losing, guys. Diba? We either win or we learn. The first lesson that I can give you guys is never come unprepared. Well, that's on general term because doon sa debate, I cannot prepare on something na ayaw nilang ibigay. As much as I really wanted to prepare. Imagine this. It's like, prepare for a quiz. About what topic, ma'am? Physics. So, that's that one word. Pagtatanungin mo, anong tungkol sa physics? Well, bahala na kayo. Just pick. That's how it were to me. Because if those two topics were to discuss now, as we are going to discuss earlier or later, papakita natin kung ano yung prepared version ni Pinoy Extreme. Well, second lesson here is that you admit what you don't know. Me saying I'm good with it is me admitting I don't know. That's the truth. Hindi ako pwedeng magpilit na magsalita nang hindi ko alam, because again, that's going to be the worst case scenario than me admitting, okay, I'm good. Let Caio speak. He knows what he's talking about. We can learn from him rather than me na hindi ko alam kung ano yung sasabihin ko. Hindi ba mas magandang makinig doon sa taong may alam kesa ipipilit ko yung sarili ko na magsalita? Just so what? Just so that I would look good? No. Hindi na. I already look good. But no, what I mean is ayokong ipakita sa mga tao na ay wow, ang galing magsalita ni Pinoy Extreme, so on and so forth. That's not my ano doon. That's not my goal there. My goal is to actually build up on something that is good, which is yung argument ni Caio, so that we could give it to the people. Diba? Third lesson would be, winning is not the end goal. The end goal is what you become after you win. It's like yung mga transgender that are going into the women's division and dominating the division because they are already strong. So, anong silbi na itest mo yung strength mo doon sa taong alam mong mas mahina sa'yo? Diba? Are you thrilled beating up a 75-year-old Pacquiao compared doon sa prime niya? Another example is yung Evo versus A86. Nung pumutok yung makina nung A86, were they shouting, "Woo! Nanalo tayo!" Were they delighted? No. Because hindi nila na-testing yung mga sarili nila doon sa malakas na version ng kalaban. And with that said, congrats kay Gabe sa panalo niya, and discuss natin mamaya yung dalawang topics. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.